Welcome to Soja Biology. Here is a new research breakthrough. Scientists have found a way to regrow human teeth using stem cells. Here's how they did it and why this is such a big deal. It's me, Soji, and this is Soji Biology. Researchers at the University of Sheffield in the UK discovered a way to use stem cells to regrow teeth. Now, teeth are made of lots of different tissues, including hard tissues like enamel and dentin, and softer tissues like cementum and dental pulp. And what's unique about these tissues is that they all come together at a specific angle to make sure your mouth works right. Like when you're chewing, your teeth need to be able to withstand a lot of force without breaking or fracturing. That means that regrowing teeth isn't as simple as just growing a bunch of tissue and hoping for the best. You need to make sure that the angles are all right too. In this study, published in the journal Nature, the team grew tooth-like structures from stem cells in the lab. They wanted to see if they could control the shape and the tissue organization of the growing teeth. And to do that, they used a 3D scaffold made out of a tough but biocompatible plastic called polycaproctone. They placed stem cells on the scaffold and then put the whole thing in a special solution that encourages stem cells to grow into tooth tissue. After 3 weeks, they had little tooth-like structures, and after 6 weeks, they had grown into larger, more mature teeth with all the right tissues and angles. This is a huge deal because up until now, we haven't been able to grow an entire tooth in the lab from stem cells. We've grown pieces of teeth, but not the whole tooth with all of its parts in the correct angles. Now, this is still a very basic tooth model, and it doesn't have nerves or blood vessels like real teeth do. And it doesn't have all the different cell types that a real tooth has either. But the fact that this model accurately recreates the shape and structure of a real tooth is really exciting. In the future, scientists hope to use this technique to grow replacement teeth for people who have lost teeth due to things like tooth decay or injury. It could also help researchers understand how teeth develop and what goes wrong when teeth do and develop properly. There are a lot of things that can cause problems with tooth development, like genetic mutations or environmental toxins. And all of these things can lead to things like misalignment of the teeth or an increased risk of cavities. Understanding what causes these problems is the first step to addressing them. So if you like teeth and/or stem cells, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can keep learning more about them. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Soji Biology.